In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare SSL Handshake Failed. If you're seeing an SSL Handshake error, it usually means your browser couldn't complete a secure connection, either between your browser and Cloudflare, or between Cloudflare and your Origin server. We'll walk through the exact settings that typically cause this and how to correct them safely. First, log in at dash.cloudflare.com, sign into your account and select the domain that's showing the error. Working on the correct zone is important, because each domain can have different SSL settings. Next, open SSL TLS and go to Overview. Here's the key. Your SSL mode must match what exists on your Origin server. Choose Full, Strict, if your Origin server has a valid, trusted SSL certificate. Use Full if the server has SSL, but it might be self-signed or not fully verified. Only use Flexible when your server does not have SSL at all. Using Flexible while your server already supports HTTPS is a common reason for handshake failures, because it creates a mismatch in how the connection is terminated. Now go to SSL TLS and open Edge certificates. Make sure Universal SSL is enabled. If it shows pending or inactive, click Reissue Certificate to kick off a fresh issuance. Give it a few minutes to propagate before testing again. New certificates can take a short while to become active globally. By the way, I've placed a link to the Cloudflare Dashboard at the very top of the description, so you can get there quickly if you need it. Still seeing the error? Under SSL TLS in Edge certificates, temporarily toggle off TLS 1.3. Some older stacks or strict middle boxes can have issues with TLS 1.3. Turn it off, reload your site, and see whether the handshake completes. If it works, you've identified a compatibility issue you can address later. Next, in the same Edge certificates area, temporarily disable Always Use HTTPS and Automatic HTTPS rewrites. This won't fix a broken certificate, but it removes redirect and rewrite behavior that can complicate troubleshooting. Test your site again to see if the handshake succeeds. Finally, head to Caching and open Configuration, then click Purge Everything. This forces Cloudflare to fetch fresh configuration and certificates from the Edge. Don't worry, this doesn't delete files from your server, it just clears cached content and settings at Cloudflare, so you're testing the latest state. At this point, most handshake errors are resolved. If not, double check your SSL mode against your server's certificate situation, allow a bit more time for certificate propagation, or confirm with your host that your Origin certificate is installed and valid. Thanks for watching.